Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome to this week's vlog. Thanks for joining me. We're actually going to start this one out with going and getting my face tattooed. Let's do this.
Hi, I'm V, and you can find me at VRON, VRON 80. So, let's get to it.
All right, I did the thing. It wasn't that bad, which is awesome. That's always good. First things first is I've got to jump the bus. So the batteries are dead, and I have to use the little Chevy Spark to jump the bus. That's probably going to take like 3 or 4 hours to charge those batteries up enough to start the bus, but once I do, I can make sure that the bus is perfectly level, and that's going to help me with putting the railing, like the supports on the sides. Oh my god, Audrey. Hi. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything hooked up and start charging the batteries. Now it's just a waiting game while they charge. Dang it. Have their doors constantly open, and he drove by me as soon as I started this up. All those diesel fumes got inside. Oh, I'm so sorry, dude. Quick little insert here from future me. So you're about to see me freak out a little bit. Things don't always go according to plan and aren't always as easy as they seem like they should be. But yeah, so here we go. Alright, so I went ahead and I put my level up and everything. I'm getting ready to move the bus here in a minute. But just so you can see, in the bus, it feels like maybe it's at a slight tilt. But this shows you how much of a tilt it's really on. Like, check this out. That bubble is all the way over. I'm going to have to... It looks like I can move the driver's side over and up a little bit of an incline, and maybe that'll level it out, hopefully. Hopefully I can do this in like 2 moves, and it doesn't take very long. But let's get to that. I wish I could figure out somewhere to put the camera where you could also see the level, but unfortunately that's just not doable. I got this big thing behind me, otherwise you'd be able to see it, but it's too much to move. Are you in a good spot, Ruggie? Okay. Hopefully we can do this in like 1 or 2 moves. Let's try. Good grief, I forgot to turn the brake off. It's been a while since I actually drove it. Are you in a good spot, Rogie? Alright, we're gonna try this. Where are we at? Oh yeah, that was not, it didn't do anything. Okay. But no. I can't tell. Hold on. Okay, I gotta peep this out, Ro. Get your spots. Find a spot? There's a little star. Oh, that seemed like a good move. How we doing? Bubble. It still doesn't look like it moved. So I think the issue might be the back section of the bus. Hi, baby. Yes, I love you. Yes, Mama's gotta drive the bus though. Okay. Yes, I love you. You're my sweetie. Okay, hop down. Mama's gotta drive. Because I think there's a little mound back there, so maybe if I can get the back tires, I gotta try not to hit these rocks. If I can get these back tires up on that mound a little bit. Then maybe, hopefully, gotta avoid the tent and the rocks. I got things on both sides of me. What's crazy is you have to really be careful because I tell you what, you can't feel when you run over a lot of stuff. I've noticed this. I accidentally ran over a grill when I was at a campsite, and I did not even feel it. This is hard to do. So many obstacles in my way. Alright, so this side has to be up. Which means... No, it didn't even move. It felt like it moved more than it did. I'm like, where's that tent? Oh my god, please. I'm sorry, babies. I don't know what to do here. Okay, everything's falling. No big deal, because I haven't had to move the bus in forever. 3 or 4 inches low on the driver's side. I only have this small space to work with right here. Start, baby. Are you nervous? I'm so sorry, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's been a while since we went anywhere. Oh yeah. You're okay. I love you. Mommy needs to drive though, okay? I gotta fix our car. I gotta straighten it out, okay? Yes. So, can you see it's like saying it's off? By like a 2 to 3 inches? I keep looking, expecting to see that bubble move a little bit even. Yeah. It's okay. Maybe if I pull in the other way, that wouldn't help anything. It would be the same if it's backwards. I'm just gonna loop around. Hopefully I got everything where it's not gonna move around all crazy again. Because, yeah, that scared... Well, Audrey's fine, but it scared the crap out of the girls. It's just so lumpy. I know. And I hate going over these bumps because I get a little nervous, so I can only imagine how nervous the animals get. Okay, no! 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 Over here! Get out! No! Back up! Back up! That is so dangerous, girl! No! Back up! You cannot go down there, honey! You cannot do that, okay? Come here! Come here! Come here, Star! Come here, baby. I love you, okay? I'm so sorry. You cannot go down there. That's dangerous, okay? It's dangerous, baby. Alright, okay. Hop down. Hop down. I'm stressed out! I'm gonna just go on this other side. Girls, not right now. I'm gonna try to go over here on this other side of where I was parked and see if this is any better. Oh my god, I don't know if I can do this. When we parked it over there, it was level. The problem is, I guess the weight of the bus, you know, sunk the dirt down a little bit or whatever, and now it's not level, and I have to have it level to do the roof deck. Jesus Christ. If the animals are stressed out right now, oh, Rogue, you're shaking. Okay, I'm done for the day. I can't keep putting them through this. They're stressed out. What did you knock over? Okay, so I got really stressed out, and Audrey was fine. She was hanging out on the bed. It didn't go anywhere, obviously, because everything's mounted to the floor. But the girls were freaking out, and they got really nervous because some things fell in the front, and it scared them. When I looked down and saw Rogue shaking, I was like, I'm done. So I just parked the bus, but it's at a lot more of a slant than it was previously, but I just couldn't spend any more time trying to find a level spot. I just parked it where it was, because I was gonna turn around and loop in, but yeah, so I'm obviously not gonna try to move it anymore today because they just calmed down and everything. Hey, Rookie baby, say hi. Yes, you're a good girl. Yes, my baby. We're just gonna wing it. I'm gonna do some drawing. I'll probably put some footage of that in here, and maybe a clip of the tattoo I do tomorrow. But besides that, with the bus, we'll figure it out. I'm gonna try to see if I can come up with an idea to rig something to level it out. But yeah, I'll catch up with you later. Good morning, everyone. I'm not gonna lie, I still have a bit of anxiety from yesterday, but I'm getting ready to do a tattoo, and that always helps me feel a bit better, gets those creative juices flowing. I'm gonna head on into the shop and get started on this piece. So I don't want to end this video on this anxiety note, so here are some other tattoos that I've done this week, and I do have a game plan for moving the bus, so stay tuned for next week's video to see that. Everything will be fine. But yeah, here's some tattoos. Check them out.